morning students, welcome back to online classes, and today we are going to do the last problem of the ledgers. Okay, 12th problem of the ledger. Okay, carefully listen and you will get 12 marks, and again I am telling you will get 12 marks. If you will learn this, definitely you will get 12 marks. Okay, and generalize the following transactions in the books of Manju and Traders. Okay, Manju and Traders, and we will see what are the entries is there here. Okay, 1/3/2020 started business with cash rupees 50,000, goods rupees 50,000. They are started business with cash and goods. Okay, the first entry should be always capital only. Capital account is which account? Personal account. We have to apply the personal account rules here. Okay, what's the personal account rules here? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. What's the entry for that? Cash account to goods account to capital account. What's the date? 1/3/2020. Okay, cash account data to capital account. How much amount is there here? Sorry. Oh, cash account data to goods account to capital account. Okay, total how much is there? Cash is 50,000 is there, and goods is 50,000 is there. Total is 1 lakh rupees capital. Okay, being started business with cash and goods. The first entry is completed. The next entry is 5/3/2020 purchased goods for cash. They are purchasing the goods here. Okay, they are purchasing the goods here. Purchase is which account? Real account. We have to apply the real account rules here. What comes in your business? What goes out in your business? What comes in your business? If you will purchase means we will get here goods. What will goes out? Cash will goes out. Here we are purchasing for cash, not for credit. We are purchasing the cash. What's the entry for that? Means purchase account data to cash account. Okay, same thing we have to write here. Okay, 5/3/2020 we purchased goods. What's the entry? Purchase account data to cash account. How much amount is there here? 40,000 rupees is there. In debit column, you have to write 40,000 rupees. In credit column, you have to write 40,000 rupees. Okay. Narration is being purchased goods for cash. Okay. The next entry is 10/3/2020 sold goods to Pratap. Here they are selling the goods to Pratap here. Means sales is which account? Real account. We have to apply the real account rules. What comes in your business? What goes out in your business? If you will sell means what you will get? Cash you will get. What goes out? Goods will goes out, cash will comes in. Same thing we have to record here. What's the entry? Means we are selling the goods on credit. We are not selling the through cash. Pratap still he didn't pay the cash here. What's the entry? Pratap account debtor to sales account. Same thing. What's the date here? 10/3/2020. Okay. Pratap account debtor to sales account. How much amount is there here? 30,000 rupees. In debit column you have to write 30,000. In credit column you have to write 30,000. Okay. Being sold goods to Pratap. We are selling the goods to the Pratap here. What's the entry? Pratap account debtor to sales account. In debit column 30,000, in credit column 30,000. Okay. And next is return goods from Pratap. Yes, we have sold. When we sold, 10th we will sold. After 18th, here returning the some goods. How much goods he returning is 4,000 rupees goods he returning. If you will return less, that is brokerage or wastage goods only. If it is there any some damages means at that time only the Pratap will return goods to us. Otherwise they will not return. Means that should be expenses for us. Yes, if you will say something. Example, I will say pens. 10 pens I will say. In that 2 pens if it is there damages means that 2 pens who will purchase means that person will return for me. At the time what will happen means that is loss. The 2 pens should be loss for me. Okay. Loss or expense if it is there means that should be which account? Nominal account. We have to apply the nominal account rules here. First we have to write all expenses and losses. If they will return means that should be expenses for us. That is loss, wastage for us. Okay. And all incomes and gains here. See here, what's the date here? 18th. He is returning the goods 18th. Okay. What's the entry? First we have to write expenses and losses. Means sales return here. We are selling the goods and services to the Pratap. And Pratap returning goods to us. Means that should be sales return. Okay. And what's the entry here? Sales return account debtor to Pratap account. Okay. Sales return account debtor to Pratap account. How much amount is there here? 4,000 rupees return goods. Okay. Being return goods from Pratap. Okay. The next entry is 28/3/2020. Cash received from Pratap. Means before that we sold goods to Pratap here. See here. Before that we sold goods to Pratap here. For how much means 30,000 goods we have sold to Pratap. Means on that day it didn't pay. That's why we are mentioning here Pratap. Otherwise they will mention cash here. After some days means 28th he paid cash to us. Means we are receiving the cash here. How much we are receiving? 30,000 rupees we are receiving. Okay. And what's the entry for that means we are receiving the cash here. What's the entry? Cash account debtor to Pratap account. What's the date? 28/3/2020. Cash account debtor to Pratap account. How much amount is there here? 30,000 rupees. In debit column you have to write 30,000 rupees. In credit column you have to write 30,000 rupees. What's the narration here? Being cash received from where we received? Pratap. Pratap will pay to us. We are receiving the money here. Okay. Next is 25th 3 2020. Cash deposited into the bank. Cash deposited into the bank means we are depositing the money into the bank. If you will deposit means we are giving. Who is receiving here? The bank here receiving the money. Means bank account is a which account? Real personal account. We have to apply the personal account rules only. What's the personal account rules here? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. What here they are receiving? Who is going to receive here? The bank here receiving. What we are giving? Cash. Same thing we have to record here. Okay, what's the date here? 25th 3 2020. Bank account. Why we are writing bank here? Means who is going to receive here? Bank. That's why we have to write bank. What we are giving? Cash. Cash account. How much amount is there? 10,000 rupees is there. In debit column you have to write 10,000. In credit column you have to write 10,000 rupees. Okay. What's the narration? Being cash deposited into bank. Okay. The last entry is cash withdrawn for personal use. Cash withdrawn means what is this? That is drawing. Drawing is which account? Personal account only. Personal account rules we have to apply here. Okay. How much amount is there? 5,000 rupees is there. What's the entry for that? Drawing account data to cash account. 30th 3 2020. What's the entry? Drawing account data to cash account. How much amount is there here? 5,000 rupees we withdrawn for the personal use. Being cash withdrawn total is 2,19,000. 2,19,000. Okay. Drawing account data to cash account being cash withdrawn for personal use. We have to write narration. Same question is there, no? Same thing you will copy here. That is narration. Okay. Don't take risk. Same thing you will copy. That is only narration. Okay. See here. Started business with cash and goods. What's the entry for that means? Cash account data to goods account data to capital account. Debit side 50,000 and 50,000. Goods is 50,000. Total how much means? If you will add these 50,000, 50,000, that should be 1 lakh rupees total. 1 lakh rupees capital is there, and in that we have started the business with. Who is going to start here? Means Manjula. Sir, Manju started business here. How much amount he have? Capital total 1 lakh rupees he have. Okay. Next is purchase account means purchase goods per cash. Purchase goods per cash means what's the entry? Purchase account data to cash account. In debit column 40,000, in credit column 40,000. And sold goods to Pratap means we are selling the goods to Pratap. If we will sell means what we will get? Cash we will get. But still Pratap didn't pay. That's why we are writing here Pratap only. Pratap account data to sales account. In debit column 30,000, in credit column 30,000. And next is Pratap returning the goods here. Means 4,000 goods is damaged goods is there. That's why he returning the goods for us. What's the entry for that means? Sales return account data to Pratap account. Okay. Next is cash received from Pratap. Cash received from Pratap means on that day he didn't pay. Means 10th we are selling the goods to Pratap. On that day he didn't pay. After that he paid. Means we are receiving the cash here. What's the entry for that means? Cash paid, cash account data to Pratap account. Cash received from the Pratap. What's the amount? 30,000, 30,000. And next is cash deposited into the bank. Cash deposited into the bank means what's the entry means bank account return to cash account. How much amount is there? 10,000, 10,000. And last is cash withdrawn for the personal use. Personal use means what's the entry? Drawing account return to cash account. How much amount is there here? 5,000, 5,000. Total is 2,19,000, 2,19,000. This is journal entries. Now we are going to post into the ledgers. Okay. Now we are going to post into ledgers. We already prepared journal entries. Now we are going to post into ledgers. Okay. First we will prepare cash account. If we want to prepare cash account means before that we have to check how many cash transactions is there here. Okay. How many cash transactions is there? We will check now. At first entry, is there any cash? Yes, is there. Which side is there? Debit side is there. Okay. And you can write here credit. If you write means we can easily identify the which is credit, which is debit. Okay. Okay. Which side is there? Debit side is there. We have to record here debit side only. But opposite of the cash account we have to record in here. Opposite of the cash account, what is there here? Capital is there. Debit opposite is credit. Debit opposite is credit means the opposite is capital account, not goods. Cash account opposite is capital. Okay. And we have to record debit side only. What's the date? 1/3/2020 to capital account. How much amount is there here? Total cash. We have to write cash amount. We should not write here capital amount. Okay. We should not write here capital amount. We have to write how much cash is there. Same thing we have to record there. Okay. That is 50,000 rupees. And next entry, is there any cash here? Yes. Which side is there? Credit side is there. We have to record here credit side only. Opposite of the cash account we have to record. Opposite of the cash account, what is there here? Purchase is there. See here. Opposite of the cash account is purchase. Same thing we have to record here. Okay. 5/3/2020 by purchase account. How much amount is there? How much purchase amount is there? 40,000 rupees is there. We have to write here 40,000 rupees. Okay. Is there any cash here? No. Here they are also not there. Here is there. Which side is there? Debit side is there. We have to record debit side only. But opposite of the cash account we have to record here. Opposite of the cash account, what is there here? Pratap. Pratap is there. Opposite of the cash account is Pratap. Same thing we have to record there. Okay. What's the date? 20th. Okay. 20th 3/2020. What is that? Pratap amount. How much amount is there? 30,000 rupees. Same thing we have to record. And next, is there any cash here? Yes. Which side is there? Credit side is there. We have to record credit side only. But opposite of the cash we have to record here. Opposite of the cash, what is there here? Bank is there. Okay. Bank we have to record here. 25th 3/2020 by bank account. How much amount is there here? Means 10,000. Okay. Next, is there any cash here? Yes, is there. Which side is there? Credit side is there. We have to record credit side only. But opposite of the cash we have to record here. Opposite of the cash, what is there here? Drawing is there. Same thing we have to record here. Drawing only. Okay. And next is 30th 3/2020 by drawing account. How much amount is there here? Means 5,000. We have to record here 5,000 only. Is there any cash here? Anything left out here? No. We record all cash transactions. If we will record means we have to close down the accounts here. Which side is more? I think debit side is more. Debit side is more means we have to add 50,000 plus 30,000. How much? 80,000. And here also 80,000. In 80,000 we will less 55,000. 55,000 less means how much you will get? Means 25,000. Okay. What we will call this amount? By balance carried out. 31st 3 2020. The balance carried out should be next year is 1/4. So our next month is 1/4/2020 to balance brought down. Okay, 25,000. The next month it should be carried out, converted into the brought down rupees 25,000. 1/4/2020. Cash account is completed. Next is purchase account. Okay, and we have to check how many purchase transactions is there here. Okay, in first transaction is there any purchases? No. In second transaction, yes, is there. Which side is there? Debit side is there. We have to record debit side only, but opposite of the purchase account we have to record here. Opposite of the purchase account, what is there here? Cash is there. Same thing we have to record. What's the date? 5/3/2020 to cash account. How much is there? 40,000 rupees is there. Okay. And next, is there any purchases here? No. Here, here also not there. 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 If it is not there means we have to close down the account here. Okay. Here also 40,000. And here also 40,000. And here also 40,000. What we will call this amount? By balance carried out. What's the date? 31st 4/3/2020. For next month it should be converted to the brought down. Okay, next month means 1/4/2020 to balance brought down 40,000 rupees. Okay, the next account is sales account, and we have to check here how many sales transactions is there here. Okay, is there any sales here? No. Here, here also not there. Here, yes, is there. Which side is there? Credit side is there. We have to record credit side only, but opposite of the sales account we have to record. Opposite of the sales account, what is there here? Pratap is there. Pratap we have to record here. Opposite of the sales, what is there here? Pratap is there. What's the date? 10/3/2020 by Pratap account. How much amount is there here? 30,000 rupees. Same thing we have to record here. Okay, and is there any sales here in this transaction? No. Here, here also not there. Here, no. Here also not there. If it is not there means we have to close down the accounts here. Okay. Here are 30,000 and here are 30,000 and here are 30,000. What we will call this amount to balance carried? What's the date? 31st 3/2020. For next month it should be 1/4/2020 by balance brought down. Same 30,000. It should be converted to the brought down to carried down to brought down. Sales account also completed. And next account is capital account. We have to write capital account transactions here. Okay, we have to check how many capital transactions is there here. Okay, in first transaction is there any capital here? Yes, is there. Which side is there? Credit side is there. We have to record here credit side only. But opposite of the capital account, what is there? We have to record. What is there here? Cash is there, goods is there. Means debit opposite credit, credit opposite debit here. Okay, credit opposite debit. Okay, debit, credit opposite what all transactions is there? All transactions we have to record. Here two transactions is there. Same two transactions are only we have to record here. Okay, and we have to record credit side only. Credit side means 1/3/2020 by cash account. How much cash is there? 50,000 rupees is there. Okay, same date only 1/3/2020 by goods account. How much is there? Same 50,000. Is there any capital here? No. Here, no. Here, here also not there. Here, if it is not there means we have to close down the accounts here. Here also 50,000 and here also 50,000 and here also 50,000. And what we will call this amount means to balance carry down. Date is 31/3/2020. For next month is 1/4/2020. What we will call by balance brought down rupees 50,000. Okay. The next sales return account we are going to prepare now. Sales return we have to check how many sales return transactions is there here. Okay, is there any sales transactions here? Sorry, sales return transaction is there? No. Here, no. Here, here also not there. Here, yes is there. Which side is there? Debit side is there. We have to record debit side only, but opposite of the sales return, what is there here? Pratap is there. Same thing we have to record here. What's the date? 18/3/20 to Pratap account. How much sales return is there here? 4,000 rupees is there. Okay, and is there any sales return transactions here? No. If it is not there means we have to close down the accounts. Here also 4,000 and here also 4,000 and here also 4,000. What we will call this amount means by balance carry down. What's the date? 31/3/2020. For next month is 1/4/2020 to balance brought down 4,000 rupees. This is sales return account. Next is drawing account. Okay, we have to prepare drawing account. We have to check how many drawing transactions is there. Is there any drawings? No. Here, no. Here, here also not there. Here, no. Here, no. Here, here also not there. Here, yes, is there. Which side is there? Debit side is there. We have to record debit side only. But opposite of the drawing account, we have to record. Opposite of the drawing account, what is there here? Cash is there. Means same thing we have to record. Cash only we have to record here. What's the date? 30/3/2020 to cash account. How much? 5,000 rupees is there. Okay. Is there any drawings here? No. Anything left out? No. If it is not there means we have to close down the accounts. 5,000. Here also 5,000 and here also 5,000. What we will call this amount? By balance brought down. Sorry, carry down. What's the date? 31/3/2020. For next month it should be 1/4/2020. What we will call this amount means to balance brought down. How much amount is there means 5,000 rupees is there. This is drawing account. Okay. And these are all the ledgers we have prepared. Means cash account, purchase account, sales account. Cash account, purchase account, sales account and capital account, sales return account, drawing account. Okay, these are all the accounts we have here posted into the ledgers here. Means we prepared cash account, purchase account, sales account, drawing account, sales return account and capital account we prepared. Okay. And ledgers only we have to prepare. How many accounts we have to prepare? Only 6 accounts. What are the accounts means? Cash account, capital account, sales account, sales return account, purchase account, purchase return account. Compulsory must and should you have to prepare in your examination. Other accounts, that's up to you. If you want to, you can prepare means prepare, otherwise leave it. But compulsory you have to prepare these 6 accounts. Okay, and today I am going to end this lectures. 12 problems we did. Yes, we solved 12 problems. I think it's enough. And next we will see personal account. Okay, next we will see personal account, and after that we have to see cash account, petty cash book. We have to see. That's why I am going to while ending this lectures. Tomorrow we are going to start at the new topic is personal account. Okay. Thank you students for listening this session.